Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. And the third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In today's newspaper, well, I didn't receive my newspaper today. I'm very sad. The publisher has not delivered the newspaper by the paper boy. But this one I needed to download this online on the site, and today it's Monday, February the 15th, 2021, and this will be number 2332. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Between two 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there no, double 1, here no, there no. Between two 1s comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O, between two 1s comes an O, between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Alright. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1s comes in O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Then we need to compare, I think. Yeah. Need to compare. Alright. Let me see. Yeah, we need to compare the rows. 101. Do we have a 101 here? Here. 10. Yes. This row and that row. 0011. Empty box. 0011. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright, need to compare again. Let me see. 101. 001. Yeah. This column and the last column. Empty box 110011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. Alright. And now, again, do I need to compare again? Seems to, yes. The third column and the first column. Empty box 001111 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have a 1 there, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Sorry, the camera moved. Alright. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it for yourself or by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.